Hello, I am going to talk about a penny saved is a penny earned. Well, I think it's important to have this idea because if you save money for your life, you are going to have a lot of rewards. And it's important to learn the value of money, that the money is not just to spend or use for some things that you need in this moment. It's also for saving for important things. I mean, if you earn the money from your work or for something that you are doing now, probably you are going to spend it in things that you need now, in this moment. But it's important that you save a little bit of that money for important things that could happen in the future. So that provides you the security for you and for your family members. I think it's important to have the culture that represents the importance of saving. So for me, it's important to save, even though other people could think that money is for now and is not for saving. But probably you will need the money right away or in the future. But you have to have this saving thing so you can use it whatever you want. So you could save a penny every day. That one day would be a lot of money. Thank you.